The lamp housing becomes extremely hot during operation. To prevent burns to the skin, allow the lamp to cool for 30 minutes before removing. Always keep the lamp in the housing during operation. When replacing a new lamp, do not touch it with your bare fingers. Skin oils can greatly reduce the lifetime of the lamp. If fingerprints do get on the lamp, remove them with a lint-free tissue saturated with ethanol. Turn the detector off and disconnect the power cord. Allow the lamp to cool for at least 60 minutes. Gently pull the left front panel cover away to remove it. Using a Phillips screwdriver, completely loosen the two captive screws and pull the assembly out slightly to relieve stress on the lamp connector wires. Next, pinch the locking mechanism on the lamp connector and then pull the connector out. Remove the lamp cartridge assembly. Being careful not to touch the bulb height adjustment lever, insert the lamp cartridge into the 2424. Touching the height adjustment lever will cause misalignment of the lamp. Gently push the lamp forward until it bottoms into position. Tighten the two captive screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Then reconnect the lamp connector. Replace the left front cover. Then reconnect the power cord. Turn the power to the unit on and enter the new lamp information before resuming operations. The 2424 detector allows you to record and store the serial number and date of installation of a new lamp. Notice the lamp serial number is located on a label on the lamp housing. Make a note of the lamp serial number. To record this number, press the Diagnostics key to enter Diagnostics. Press 5 to select the Lamp Display and Keypad Diagnostic. Press 1 to change lamp. The Change Lamp Diagnostic window appears. Enter the serial number of the new lamp and the date it was installed. Then press Enter. In the second Change Lamp Diagnostic screen, confirm your entries and then press Enter. The third Change Lamp Diagnostic screen appears. Press Enter to exit the Change Lamp function.